Случайно же остановил запись. Так, что мне там? А, нет.
Inside. Shit, I should have sent you in here. This was your mistake.
You might want to keep it down. You'll end up with a retreat solitary. I can't get you out.
I'm gonna find the inmate schedule. I'll be in touch.
Мне, значит, надо вот сюда, да?
Jordy, I found the schedule. Where's the exercise yard?
Up top.
Ча?
There, that.
Что? You have a band... Блядь.
Policy. They think they can nose us out of jobs with this automation shit? Keeley said his paycheck took a hit too. Blows, man. This totally blows.
Технически... О, все. Ну, стой. Быстро, однако, вырубили. Заранее.
If I remember right, this guy had his own Picasso ink all over his face. Ugly as shit. Makes him easy.
Раул
He's up here somewhere.
Леонзе.
Oh shit, man. How do I get in on that? Oh, bullshit.
Change your plans. Our prisoner transfer was a bust. So your plan B. What do you need us to do? Whatever it takes to get this guy talking. You got it.
Nah, man. You need to stop worrying about that dude. He ain't real.
Hello. Now, I'm gonna get you off the roof.
Who says I have to be moved? Who are you guys? What about my lawyer? doing? Answer me! Show me the paperwork!
Shut up!
Where's my lawyer?
We're taking you to your
No!
lawyer.
No way!
Right after we clean you
What are you gonna do?
first.
I ain't going with the
Shut
bunch of
the fuck up!
Damn, better reach him fast before they kill him. That's a problem. Some guards just took our guy.
Fuck! Basement. They're in the basement. Seems like there's quite the little crooked operation being run out of this joint. Look at you bringing justice back to the prison system.
Floor's empty. Floor's wide open.
No silent alarms have gone off. Watch your back.
What's a couple of bottoms doing a state? Doing a deal without cutting us in? Think you don't have friends in high places? They expect to cut too. No! I told you already. It wasn't a deal. You got called, man. Fuck that. Rick, stop lying. I warned you before. Think we won't leave you for dead too.
I can't take no more. I'll tell you what I know. I swear. Please, man, I swear.
And your buddy? What happened to him? Where is he now?
Так, слишком громко в наушниках, во-первых, это раз. Меня аж уши болят уже.
Heads down! You're in a... Come in on his side. Move! Where the hell is my backup? Keep closing in. Shut him off! All of them?
Чё?
Sighted. Moving in.
Как сама система 3 секунды.
Help! Somebody!
Relax.
You're inside. How'd you get inside, man?
You know, it was pretty simple. These high-tech security prisons, they make it quite easy, really. Have we met?
What?
Have we met?
No. No, I never seen you, man.
Yeah, I didn't think so. So you're in here for 60 days. In good behavior, you're out in 30. What does that say?
60 years? What are you doing, man?
I'm just showing you an alternate future. You know, in case you get the urge to share your stories or Make a deal with the cops. We're clear, right?
All units, possible prison escape. Be on the lookout for white male Joe Smith.
I need a unit up to the laundry. We've lost communication. Copy. We're on it.
Ну все, чел потерял сознание.
Jordy, it's done.
Fantastic. I'm guessing you're eager to get out of there. There's a care package on its way for you.
Where?
Don't worry, you'll see it.
Я ж так понимаю, я ж так мне спокойно, да, отпустят просто. Взял какой-то мужик, сбежал, который сел в тюрьму. Нет, спокойно не дадут, да? А, мне куда надо идти-то? А, мне сюда надо идти. Сообщение на телефоне еще приходит. Че? А, у меня фул инвентарь. А, веселье только начинается, да?
High-powered patrol units been dispatched after the suspect.
Немного тут текстурки поломались от выстрелов.
That plan actually worked. Identity's safe. Now, Lena's attackers. I want the one responsible. Damien bragged about a second hacker. Someone else inside the Merlot. I need to find out what Damien does.
О, да, вот она. Не зря приметил ее здесь. Прогресс.
Aiden, we had a very unpleasant meeting.
Well, I didn't kill you.
We used to get along. I taught you so much. Look at you, big-time hacker now. Is that you in the news? The vigilante?
You mentioned a second hacker at the Merlot shop. But we already knew there was another hacker. You found something new.
Ah, intriguing, isn't it? Come, let's meet and I'll explain.
Tell me. Then I'll consider meeting.
Oh, no. My information, my rules. Besides, we need to make up for last time. I'm very excited, Aiden. Come soon.
Does CTOS need a reboot?
City Hall has been quick to downplay any problems with the CTOS network. This is despite numerous reports of malfunctioning systems throughout the
Разрешите
city.
первую часть
Reports
главы.
have come in of faulty traffic lights, power outages, and communications, to name a few.
О! Мужик, сорян, ты попался после мне под колеса. В ходу у вас $820. Ну, я зажал старт.
I need to make this quick. Damien's pride is his weak spot. Just play it up. Convince him to say what he knows. Then drop him. He's too reckless. It's too dangerous. Where are you?
I don't think you're gonna like my answer.
You know what? Forget it. I don't need whatever you got. Brought me nothing but trouble. We're done talking.
Oh, too late, Aiden. You won't believe where I am. Never mind, I'll send you the feed. Find a TV and have a look.
That's Nikki's house. What are you doing?
You should hurry, my boy. Your pretty sister needs you.
Damien! Damien, what are you doing?
Watch where you're going.
He played me. That son of a bitch played me and I let him. What's he doing, Nikki's? No, he won't hurt them. I'll kill him if he touches them. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work on the guys who attacked us. Fuck that. I need to take him down. Just hang in there, guys. I'm coming.
Six-years old. It's tragic.
Where are they?
Such a waste. All of this, it's such a waste. You know, the real tragedy here is that somebody like you is surrounded by so many fragile things. It makes you fragile.
Where?
That's not how it works. You don't want to answer that.
Yeah. Nikki! Where are you? Nikki!
Stop and think. You fuck around and she is dead. This isn't how I wanted it. But this is where we are. If you'd listen to me,
things would be different.
Just tell me where they are.
Where they are, there's only Nicky. That little boy. I don't know where he is. Now, this is what's gonna happen. I point to a hard drive. I told you there was another hacker. That will lead you to his computer. Get it? And you'll find out who ordered the hit on us.
What do you really want?
You lost your right to question me. I want that hard drive, that's all you need to know, and that's the price for Nicky. Stop overthinking, Aiden. I'll need regular updates. In exchange, you get to talk to Sis. Quid pro and all that.
This won't end well for you.
Perhaps, but don't get clever. I really have no problem killing that girl. We'll talk soon, partner.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There. He's on the L. Oh shit, someone's after him.
Теперь надо еще и преследовать его.
I can't risk Damien grabbing Jax. I need him safe. Come on, I can make it. I'll grab Jax and then... Nicky. Damn it. He's got Nicky. Reach him in time. All right, hack the train. Get Jackson moving and away from these guys.
Отметить 100 врагов. Достижение. Круто.
Check every car. Kid's here somewhere.
All right, that's bought me time. Make the next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! Alright, get to the next station. Go! Go! Gonna need a hand! I got it. Ram the fucker! This piece of shit's done. Where's that bastard? Where'd he go? Anyone got him? Where'd he go? Hey, we're here! Okay, listen, regroup. We need to figure this out.
Jax. You're safe now. All right? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me. All right. We're gonna find your mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pierce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay? Men at the house said this. This is good, Jax. It's good.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pierce? Where's Nikki?
No, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days. We'll pay you, of course.
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
That'd be great, thank you.
Nikki needs to grieve. I know it's hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Hey, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble. Let's go.
See you soon.
Go.
Southbound train arriving shortly. Northbound train arriving shortly.
Ay.
I'm heading into a tough neighborhood. I need to be prepared. Hello?
Зачем мне нужно у него
How
купить?
can I help you?
Authorities at Chicago Correctional Center are triple checking their security protocols today after a prison break. Facts are sketchy, but we do know that at least one prisoner managed to make it past all security checkpoints. Fortunately, Chicago's finest apprehended the prisoner shortly afterward. John Smith, 34.
Деньги вперед.
Eyes open, pal.
Racine's in Brandon docks, and I got no CTOS access there. Yeah, I better hack the district control center first.
Куда? Так. Пожарку скоро вам купить, вообще круто. А зачем мне она нужна? Правильно, ни зачем.
crack down on dead set.
Что сейчас ты делаешь?
Pick him off, no problem. Come on, I'm very...
Нифига себе. И что-то меня такой взорвало-то. В снайперку я его заберу.
Watch your backs.
А теперь можно не беспокоиться. Никто не помешает.
Covered.
I need help here. I'm on it. We're here. You need help?
Target is on the move. They can't all be dead.
All right, I'm in. Now, Racine. Let's find out what you know about Nikki.
Блин, можно доить уже заказать.
Let's see where that is. Gotcha, Robert Racine.
You watching us? Well, we're watching you, asshole.
Stay out of our lives. Now with CTOS.
Stay out of our lives.
Your ride's ready. Gassed up, wheels balanced, fluids checked, the works. You're welcome.
Got a gun.
Authorities have confiscated a shipping container loaded with military-grade.
Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine, and just work your way down. Stay cool. Just keep your head.
Вау. Вау. Это было весело.
Hey. Somebody. Hey, anyone there? Good. Did you see that? Search for him. I don't see shit.
Грех не жаловаться. Там чё? Все взрывчаткой, что ли, напичкано, блин? Что аж, блин, каждый ящик взрывается. Ладно, с первого раза я умер, потому что я понадеялся, что ничего не взорвется.
Grab some men. We can't let this guy get away.
It's over, man.
On it.
Hey.
Ну а чё, персонаж не прицелился даже? Я же, блядь, нажал же прицел, чё он не прицелился? Мне кажется, у меня видео будет с одними моими смертями.
What do you think you're doing?
We're taking hits here.
Backup. I'm my own backup.
Shut it!
Any of our guys there?
Shit!
He's hitting us from over there!
Я сейчас бы пожалел бы о такой выскочке. Потому что я не пожалел еще.
Nothing. The computer. I can hack the cameras through the computer.
Интересно.
Robert. Nice to meet you.
Ты мне нужен.
I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him, but I probably should have warned you about Aiden. You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know. That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out. Fuck, man, what do I do? Whatever you can. Good luck.
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
You think
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, all right? You got it.
Time to bang him up!
keep at him. We need all the help we can get.
Going in for a hit!
Очень, однако, смышленно сделали они. Придумали.
Ram his car! Come on! Let's knock him off the road! He's making a break for it! Don't even know!
Ну, быстрее.
Gonna try and ram him! Let's force him out! Time to bang him up!
close.
Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Jamie knows me.
911, please state your emergency. Yeah, I think we need a cop here. Hello.
Lose the phone.
I think I've lost a caller.
Jamie knows me too well. Knows exactly how I'll react. He must have been planning this for a while. That man always goes too far. He'll hurt Nikki if he doesn't get what he wants. All right. For now, I'll play his damn game. I'll follow his IP address. But I'm gonna find a way around him.
В принципе, на этом можно сегодня не закончить. Я так устал.